Hi guys, and welcome back to this video. So in the previous step, we were essentially doing the Terraform apply step, and I just want to show you what was created. So it went ahead and kind of like looked at the plan again. This is what it started to create. It took a bit of a while, and the reason for that is because really of the net gateway. Other than that, if we didn't have that, it would have been really quite quick. So yeah, so it started creating the VPC, the subnets, the security group, the route tables required um, for each of the subnets, things like the internet gateway, and it created an elastic IP for the net gateway. It then did some associations for the route tables to subnets, as we prescribed, and yeah, it started creating the subnets themselves. And eventually you'll notice that what really kind of took long was the net gateway itself, but once that was done, then everything else kind of completed. So yeah, our VPC has now been created, and I think what we could do maybe in a future video is we could then do the outputs as well, but I don't think that's very necessary. But essentially what we can do is then output necessary values for for any other place we want to use this module, right? But I don't think that's necessary for this video. So what I'm going to do is, you now know that the code works, so I'm just going to run terraform destroy to then take and I'll run that with auto approve to then kind of destroy all of those resources. It may give me issues, but it doesn't really quite matter. It may give me issues related to the elastic IPs and not IPs, sorry, network interfaces, but that's something I can always just deal with a bit later. But thank you so much for being part of this, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I'll be sure to leave any information that's required for this in the description, and I look forward to having you back again. Thank you so much for watching.